How are you all? I just hope that you all are fit, fine and healthy at your home and also enjoying at your place, isn't it? Okay, so children, I welcome you again to the online video class of computers, and I am Meenakshi Kothiyal, your computer tutor. So children, today I'll be going to start with the new syllabus of your final exam. Okay, the syllabus we have covered that will not come in your final exam. Okay, so now from today onwards we will start with the new syllabus. Okay, and children, before starting with the new chapter, with the new syllabus, I would like to discuss some points with you. Okay, here I have written some special notes. The first one is submit your assignments on time. Now children, it is mandatory. It is compulsory for you all that you all have to submit your assignments on time and you have to be regular. Okay, watch the video very carefully and note down the questions and answer them in a proper way. Okay, your handwriting should be neat and clean because at the last we will give you marks for your assignments. Okay children, and this time also in half-yearly exams I have found that many of the students have not sent me the assignments till first assignment. Okay, so children, I would like to request you all that you all have to send me the assignments on a regular basis. Okay, now the next point is mention your name, assignment number at the top of your homework. Whatever homework has been given to you, you have to mention your name. It's compulsory. Otherwise, how would I come to know? Because someone else has sent me the email of yours, so how would I come to know that it is who is the student if they have not written the name? Okay, so it would be very troublesome for us to find out the children about the student who has sent us the assignment. Okay children, so it is compulsory to mention your name, assignment number also, because we are not here to find out your assignments, which assignment you are sending us, because few students they send us late assignments, so they do not mention the assignment number. It would be very difficult for us to find out which assignment they have sent us, so we have to go through the Padhe Bharat and we have to look onwards that which homework they are sending us. Okay, so please mention your assignment number on your notebook. Okay, whatever homework has been given to you, just mention your name, assignment number, and then note down the question answers. And still, if you have found any difficulty in writing down the answers of any question, so watch the video very carefully, because the teachers have tried her best to sort out your problems in her video. Okay, we are sending you the video so that your problems can be sorted out. You can find out the answers of your questions. Okay, so I would request you all to do your assignments in a very neat and clean handwriting, because we'll score you marks for that. At the last, isn't it? At the same way we have given you the marks for your assignments in half-yearly, the same way we'll give you the marks in your annual exam also. Okay, children. Now, this is my mail ID on which you have to send the homework. DVPS Jory 1989 computer125@gmail.com. Many of the parents have this issue that they are sending the homeworks, they are sending the assignments, but still it does not get reached to the teacher. It is because only if you have written the wrong address, if you have missed any spelling from this email ID, your homework will not reach to us. Okay, so be careful while sending your homework. You have to write down each and every word of the email ID in a proper way. If it is written in small letter, you have to write down all the words in small letter. Okay, because if a single dot is misplaced, if a single symbol is misplaced, your mail will not reach to us. Okay, so be careful while sending the mails. Children, this is your book ICSE Understanding Computer Studies. Today I'll be going to start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 3, Word Processor and Introduction. For this you have to open page number 40. Okay, now children, today we'll be going to discuss about word processors. Now what are word processor? Word processor is a software program, and what it does, it types, store or modify the text documents. Means if we want to type something on a computer, we have to use word processors like software programs. Now children, let me give you an example. If you are writing something, you would require notebook or pen or pencil you would require. But can you write with a pen or pencil on a computer? No. So for typing on a computer, you would require keyboard or a software program which helps you to type the letters and documents, which helps you to prepare your letters, documents. Okay, text documents means the letters, the words you are typing on the computer, they are referred as text documents. Okay, so you can prepare your letters, your applications, your reports on a computer with the help of word processor software. Okay. Now children, if you want to listen to a music, you would require softwares. The same way, if you want to write something, you would require softwares like word processor. So in this chapter, we'll be going to study about the word processor, that is MS Word 2013. So children, now let's discuss about the different versions of word processor. Here I have written the different versions of word processor. The first one is Word 2007. After that, Word 2010 come into existence. Then Word 2013 and the latest version is Word 2016. Several updates have been made so far, so they are keep on updating the softwares day by day. So the latest version of the MS Word is Word 2016. Okay. Okay children, so now let us discuss about the different purpose, or you can say features, of word processor. The first one is it is used to prepare text documents. As I've told you earlier that you can type any letter, any report on your computer, okay, with the help of a word processor. Next is it offers tools for changing the font size, color and style. Suppose you have written something on your notebook and if you want to erase it, you want to write something new, so you can erase it with the eraser. But you cannot use the eraser for this on the word processor. So it offers you some tools. With the help of those tools, you can edit, you can change the font size. Now what is font? Font means the letters, the words. Okay, in computer language we use the word font. Okay, so if you want to change the size of the letter, if you want to change the color of a letter, and if you want to change the style, the way you want to write, you can do it with the help of the tools provided by the word processor. Okay. Next is enables you to type, copy, delete or edit documents. With the help of a word processor, you can type a letter, you can copy the same letter so many times the time you want, okay, and you can delete it. Also, you can edit the documents. Edit means the changes, or you can modify them, okay, according the way you want, okay, to give the attractive look. Next, documents can be saved for future use. If you have typed some letter or report on the word processor, you can save it for future use also. Okay, if you want to check that letter after so many days, it is get saved on your computer. You can check it after that also. Okay, so these are the features of the word processor software. So now children, let us understand how to use the Microsoft Word. Now see children, this is your desktop. Now if you want to start MS Word, you have to perform some steps. For this, you have to click on the Microsoft Word icon which is available on the start screen. And if it is not available here and it is present, the shortcut icon is present on the desktop, you can directly click on it. Okay, here the icon is present on the start screen. I have to click it. See, like this. Okay. Now the default window opens. This is the default window. Okay, now I have to select the blank document. Select like this. Okay, now children, after clicking on blank document, the default MS Word window opens up, as you can see on the screen. Okay, now let us discuss about the components of MS Word window in brief. So now children, the first component of the MS Word window is cursor. As you can see here, the small black line that blinks on the screen is known as the cursor. When you type something on a screen, then the cursor will shift towards the right side. Okay. Now the next component is the title bar. this is the long horizontal bar which is present on the top of the Microsoft Word window. Okay. Now children, it shows the name of the currently opened document. Okay. As I am currently working on this document, so the name of this document is document 1. Okay. Now it also contains 3 control buttons. As you can see here, these 3, 1, 2 and 3. What are the name of these control buttons? Yes, this is the minimize button. This is restore button and this is close button. Now children, when we click on this minimize button, okay, click on it, it will bring down the window at the taskbar. Okay children, this button we mostly use when the user or when we does not want to work on this window. Okay, now if I again want to work on that window, I have to just simply click on it like this. Okay, see, the position of the window will again come to its original position. Okay, now children, what is the use of this restore button? It will bring the screen to the previous size. Okay, see. Okay, now here the restore button switches to the maximize button. Now what happened if I click on this maximize button? The window will again come to the fullest size, to its maximum size. Okay children, now if you do not, if suppose you are done with the work and you don't want to do work on it, so you have to click on this close button. Okay, when you click on this close button, your window will get disappeared. Okay children. Children, the next component is the quick access toolbar. See, this area is the quick access toolbar. Okay, it is located on the left side of the title bar. It enables you to quickly access the commands that you are frequently using. Okay, for example, this save command. Okay, this undo command and this redo command. The commands which we need frequently when we are doing something on the document. Okay, so this area is the quick access toolbar. Okay children, now the next component is the ribbon. Now see children, this whole area is the ribbon. This whole area we call it as ribbon. Okay, now this ribbon is designed to help you perform your task quickly. Okay, it displays different commands, different options like this paste option, this bold option, italic option, this font style option, font size option here, font color option, alignments are there. Okay, you can highlight the text. See, the different styles are there. Okay, so this whole portion is known as the ribbon area. It is divided into these groups: clipboard. Okay, this is the font group, this is the paragraph group, and this is the style group. Also, this is the editing group. Okay children, so this whole area is the ribbon area. Okay, this is one of the most important component of MS window. Now next component is ruler. See children, there are 2 types of rulers present on the window. See, this is the vertical ruler. This is the vertical ruler. Okay, and this is the horizontal ruler. See, this is the horizontal ruler. Okay, these rulers help you to adjust the text of a document. Especially these are used to set the margins. Okay, now suppose if I want to set the margin to the left, so I have to click on this ruler and drag it to the left side. If I want to set the margin on the right side, I have to just right click on it and double click on it and just drag it to the right side. See the margins. Okay, and this is the top margin. See, if I want to set the top margin, I can set it using this way. I have to just double click on the ruler and then drag it to the top side. Okay, so these rulers are specially designed to set the margins. Okay, now see children, this whole white area is the document area where we type the letters. Okay, where we type the letters. This whole area, okay, where we type documents, letters, reports. Okay, now the text, whatever we are writing, is written between the margins. Okay, here I have set the left margin and it will go till here, right margin. Okay children, the text will come in between the margins you have set using the ruler. Okay, so the document window is one of the component of MS Word window. Okay children, now the next component is the vertical scroll bar. See, this is the vertical scroll bar. See, okay, when you double click on it and drag it, it will move the screen up and down. You can move the screen up and down by simply dragging the vertical scroll bar up and down. Okay children, now come to the next component. See, this is the status bar. See, this is the status bar. Okay, this, it is available at the bottom of the screen. Okay children, it displays the number of pages. Here only one page we have done, so it will display 1 of 1. Okay, also it displays the words. Here I have written only 4 words, so it will display here. Here it has displayed that 4 words are written. Okay, so it gives you the status of the current document. Now the next important component of MS Word window is zoom slider. See, this is the zoom slider. This minus sign shows zoom out option and this plus sign shows zoom in option. Okay, when you click on this minus sign, means zoom out, it will decrease the size of the window. Okay, and when you click on this plus size, it will increase the size of the window. Okay children, now by default the size of the window is 100%. It is set at in between. Okay, this. Okay, it means it shows the 100%. It is the default size of the Microsoft window. This is all about the components of Microsoft Word window. Let us again recall it. Yes, cursor. See, this is the cursor. Okay, next, this is the title bar. See, this is the title bar. Quick access toolbar. See, this is the quick access toolbar. Okay children, now this area is the ribbon area. This area is what? Ribbon. This whole area is called ribbon. Okay, different tabs, groups and are available here. Now the next is ruler. Ruler is also the component of a Microsoft window. Next is this document window. Next, vertical scroll bar. See, this is the vertical scroll bar. Next is status bar, where you can see the number of pages and number of words in the document. Okay children, the next component is the zoom slider. Okay. Children, so this is enough for today. I just hope that you all have understood the topic very well. Okay, we'll cover the rest of the topic in our next module. Till then, stay safe and stay home.